First one is easy. Don't rely on tablature for everything, because you end up playing the way a parrot talks. All you can do is play what's in the tablature. If you train yourself to use your ears so that you can copy the music around you, and one day when you need to write your own music or improvise, you can copy the music you hear in your head just as easily. So I think it's important to develop your ears. That's really the best tip. Try to be aware of every note you play. If you can try and sing the notes that you play, even if you don't make a sound, if you can sing up there, so you can predict what notes are coming out of the amp, and that stops you just playing tricks and patterns. And I think that's important for making real music. And I guess the third one, don't sit in your bedroom with a metronome all the time. Join a band, write songs, record demos, do gigs, play with other people, play to other people, because that's what music's all about. It's not about doing exercises in your bedroom. I hope that's helpful. That's the stuff that I think is important. Cheers.